Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. This palette's been out for a little while now, and it was on sale, so I picked it up, and it took forever to get here, which I was kind of peeved about, but I mean, it did finally get here. It just took a long time. So if you don't know of BH Cosmetics, they are a very affordable online retailer. I believe they are carried online at Ulta, or maybe in stores at Ulta as well. We don't have Ulta here in Canada, so I'm not 100% sure. So basically this palette, there's been a little bit of controversy around it, just I guess because of the layout. So this is what the palette looks like, and it's the Zodiac palette, so you have like all of the Zodiac signs, and then a correlating shimmer and like a baked shimmer and a matte, and then you have a highlighter in the center. So basically a lot of people were saying that the colors don't really correspond with the Zodiac. So for instance, like Aquarius is like this kind of duochrome shift brown green. So a lot of people were saying that like that should have been blue. I don't really know a whole lot about Zodiac signs, but I mean, I'm sure they could have correlated it better unless they had some kind of idea in their mind of why these colors went together. And there's a lot of colors in here. You get 25 eyeshadows and a highlighter, so there's so many different looks that you could create, and it's a little bit overwhelming. You get a lot of these like purpley shades, and then you get some of these browns and this nice like olive green down here. But like, I think it's supposed to be designed to be easy to use, so you would use like this shimmer with that matte, but some of the colors look a little bit wonky, but I mean, I would probably still use them together. Like, this green will probably look actually kind of nice with this red in the crease. But that's basically it. This does come with a mirror. So let me just zoom you guys in and we'll just get straight into this look. So I'm just going to start by trying out the baked highlighter in the center. This is my Morphe M510, which I always use for highlighting. Okay, so this is actually pretty freaking intense. Which normally, like any of the other baked highlighters I've kind of used are not super pigmented right from the get-go. Sorry, my brother's dog is barking. Okay, so that's the highlighter. I think it looks really pretty. It's a little bit powdery, but it really blends out nicely. Okay, highlighter's done. A little intense, but it's done. And we're just gonna create a quick little eye look just to kind of test out this formula of the mattes and the shimmers. So I'm just gonna start with the Aquarius matte, and I'm just going to put that into my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Sagittarius matte, which is this like kind of coppery red color, and just apply that right underneath where we just did, just to make this warmer. Okay, now just on a smaller brush, so on a little small packing brush, I'm just going to take a little bit of the Scorpio matte here, which is like a dark reddish brown, and pack that into the outer V of the eye. Okay, so I think I want to do some color on the lid. Yeah, so I'm going to take this Cancer shimmer on my fingertip. It's like a really pretty like gunmetal blue. And I'm just going to pack that onto the lid. Okay, so now that that blue is on, I'm just going to take a little bit of Gemini on a clean finger, the shimmer from Gemini, which is like a pure silver, and just pack it into the very center of the eye. So now onto my lower lash line. So I'm just going to take the same fluffy brush that we were doing in the crease and take the Aquarius shade again and put that into my... Had a little bit of follow with the blue. Alright, and now I'm just going to take just the Sagittarius color again. I'm just doing basically the same thing on the bottom lash line. And then a little bit of the Scorpio matte, that dark kind of reddish brown again. So now just on a little sponge tip applicator, I'm just going to take the highlighter and put that into my inner corner. Okay guys, so this is the look I created using the Zodiac palette. I think it's really pretty. I think I really like the red tones. And I actually really like the blue on my eyelid. I don't really play around with the color a whole lot, but I'm definitely trying to more often. Okay, so that's it. Basically, I think that this palette is really cool. I know it can be kind of overwhelming to look at it with all of the colors, and if you think that like the colors don't necessarily go together, I find that you can find something that is going to go with the color, and even like combinations that I wouldn't necessarily think would go together, I think they might actually go together, if that makes any sense. Honestly, there's no rules in makeup. Like, you can pair colors together, whatever colors you want, and it's gonna, if you like it, then it looks good, right? Like, so, basically, I think that this palette can definitely be overwhelming, but I think you can definitely get a really good look out of it. The colors blended so easily. I'm really impressed, and the shimmers are really pigmented. The highlighter, I think, is so pretty. Like, I kind of want to just depot this and use this, like, every day. But yeah, basically that's it. I've heard really mixed reviews about this palette, so I was really excited to try it out for you guys, and I'm really happy with it. With the few colors that I did use, I know I didn't use that many, but I will definitely try and use more in the future. I'm sure you will see this palette listed in my items used down below. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And yes, thank you again for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button before you leave. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.